Hello. So this is MIJAN here. Today I'm going to show you how we can enable Shopify data layer, and it's totally theme independent. So I think you already know about the data layer, the importance of data layer. The data layer is a thing that actually help us to see the product details, and based on this data layer, we can actually track different kind of actions like view content, add to cart, checkout, purchase, add payment info, etc. Then we can send this event to different kind of platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook. So to set up a data layer, first we need to connect Google Tag Manager to our website. This is our website, you can see here. So first we need to create a Google Tag Manager. So this is our existing account and I need to create a container. So to create container, I just click the plus icon. I need to write a name here. Okay, fine. Then select oil. So just copy it and go to the Shopify backend, and from here you need to select the theme, then three dot icon, then edit code. Under the theme.liquid and after the head section you need to paste this code. Okay, fine, then save. Well, our tag manager is connected. Okay, cool. So now I need to enable the data layer. To enable data layer, again I need to go Shopify backend, then click here the settings, and from here you will see custom event. Just click here and then click on add custom picture, write a name. Fine, then add picture. Okay, and then remove all these things, and I have to paste the code. Just copy and paste it over here. And there is also a things that I need to change. I need to copy the tag manager ID. So this is the tag manager and I have pasted my GTM code over here. Okay, fine. Then I need to change something from here. Under the permission, you will see two options, required and not required. I will change it to not required. And from data cell, I have to select data collected does not qualify as data cell. I need to save. After that, click on connect. Again, connect. So our customer events pixel is connected. I can close this, and to be ensure, we can again check this that our pixel is connected or not. We can see the Shopify data layer custom pixel is connected. So now I need to go to my online store. Okay, so you can see here, this is my store and I need to reload this page. Now we can go on Google Tag Manager and then click on preview. Then I need to paste my set URL here, then connect. Fine, you can see the Google Tag Assistant is connected. So if I go to the Tag Assistant, you can see an event is fired, page view, and if I view a product, okay, that's fine. View item, then I can add a product to cart. It already come. So we can purchase a product. Okay, we already made a purchase. So this is a tag manager, and you can see here, this is the purchase event. All the data you can see here, and here is begin checkout, shipping info, add payment info. Yes, all these things you can see here. So that's the thing actually. So now by changing a theme, and then we'll check the data layer is working or not. So to do this, I need to change the theme. So I'm going to publish this refresh theme. Let's publish. Okay, fine. Okay, our refresh theme is published. We can again go to our website. You can see here our theme is changed. So again, we can go to our Google Tag Manager and close it. And then again, click on preview. Okay, fine. So guys, if you need any help with conversion tracking, server side tracking, so you can reach out me easily on my WhatsApp or email so that I can help you. Okay, fine. Our tag manager is connected. Just to view product. Okay, the view item event is fired and all the data is coming. If I click on add to cart, okay, fine. Then check out. I think this data also will come. Oh, yeah, okay. This is a to card. This is checkout. You can see the event is coming. Just on this event data layer, with the help of Google Tag Manager, you can easily send this data to different kind of platforms like Facebook, Google Analytics, Snapchat, TikTok, etc., as well as Google Earth. Sorry. So yep, that's the thing. I hope you guys found this video valuable. If you found this video valuable, just show it by clicking on the like button. So thank you so much. Hope you could understand the whole process. Bye bye.